Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Yier Jin. I'm the IoT term professor of the IoT Institute. Also the full name is Warren B. Nelms Institute for the Connected World. The goal of the Nelms Institute for the Connected World is to reflect the latest trends that we connect everything through networking, through internet. When everything being connected, we have way more devices and way more data than we ever have. So in order to solve this challenge and how to using all this device and all this data to serve our lives, we come up the framework we called how we build the IoT for our lives. And this, as you can see, is one of the examples we trying to introduce the framework of IoT to the general audience.
Hey, I'm Tyler Sparks. I work in the Security and Silicon Lab here at the University of Florida. I'm going into my 5th year in computer engineering, and I've been working on this project, which is the LEGO ICS demo. ICS stands for Industrial Control System. So if I say LEGO's City Zone 1 on, so Zone 1 will turn on, which would be this here. Awesome. Okay. So you set the switches back to the turn position and it will enter the station. Sensors next to them are infrared sensors that detect when the train goes in front of them, so that we know where the train is on the track. Factory, and then when it goes around to the station entrance, the sensor here will go high, and then it'll tell you that it entered the station.
Oh, that looks great.
Yeah, and then it is at the station now, and then entering the city again. Okay. So previously we were doing network controls. So I was turning on the city lights, the stadium lights, the Ferris wheel, all of that over the network through the dashboard. Now here, the factory works in conjunction with the PLC control. Okay, so I have start and stop here. So when I press start, the factory runs, and then red to stop the factory.
So as you can see that this is a platform, you have some understanding of how the platform works. So eventually this becomes our training and research platform. That is, every component, every controller will be replaced by the real industrial PLC, programmable logic controller. So in this way, not just to do some theoretical analysis, we would put the hands on the real industrial device. And at the same time, we will see that how cybersecurity will impact the whole cyber physical system and the whole world of IoT.